In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, open the settings and reach accounts and backup. Here click on accounts, and as you can see we do have Google account included here, so smoothly select it, and if you'd like to remove it, mark remove account, confirm that you want to remove it with all its data by tapping on remove account, and that's it, it has been done. And then, if you would like to add Google account, you need to open accounts again, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and go to the accounts. Now click on add account, and here you've got all the possibilities, but we would like to add Google account, so just mark Google. Enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account, and click on next then. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And then click on next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, tap on I agree. And that's it, click on accept to confirm your selection, and Google account has been added, so congrats. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.